Saints, ain'ts. If there is one thing that I have learned about BGM girl hair, it's this. You're not gonna be able to get in this box unauthorized. Honey, this is day 4 of my wash and go. I want y'all to know that. Okay, but we're not here for that. Hold a minute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, honey. Y'all know I got a big forehead. Sometimes I forget it's far back. I don't want y'all to be confused. I'm used to it being back.
My whole scalp is back.
You can remove those. If you have plans to shout, keep those combs in there. Because one thing that they do not rehearse with the Urshas is what to do when the wig flies off. Now, I have recommended having a wig room just off to the side with Pride when you first walk. But all I can do is recommend.
They got it styled already.
It's cut. This is layered. I want to show you that it's glueless, but big baby, I want to melt this thing. It looked too good not to be melted, don't it? I said it looked too good not to be melted. And it looked too good not to be melted. You know it looked way too good not to be melted. Hey, y'all, what's going on? I got something new for y'all. I got something new for y'all. Let me tell you why I'm so hyped. Because I stumbled upon BMG girl hair, okay? Y'all know this. Well, maybe y'all don't know. Maybe y'all ain't been keeping up with the videos. See, I don't know, baby. If you ain't been keeping up with the videos, then you may not know what's going on. One thing about it that I'm going to wear is that kinky straight hair. Some of the flyest kinky straight wigs that I have are from BGM girl hair. They never disappoint, honey. And then, you remember that wave one? Because I was like, okay, let me just try something else then. And then that other one ate down. That's why I said, well, hold a minute now. I ain't gonna lie. I thought they might have been a one-trick pony. When the other one came through, I said, okay. So I said, well, let me try another one of their new ones. I'm gonna try one of their color wigs. And it's a body wave, supposedly. And it's supposed to be glueless. Let me just make sure before I get to popping off. Glueless layered cut chocolate brown body wave, 24 inches, 7x5 lace wig. Now, this is going to determine if they really trying to be in that life as one of the top vendors. This is going to, because if you can't get color, let me just see real quick. I got to use my good scissors on this bag, baby. Ooh. We got us a through the bag hairline. Look, I ain't taking out the bag yet. You can see how sweet that hairline is through the bag. Yes, I like when I get a through the bag hairline. Look how they pluck that, which means you don't have to. Oh, that's nice. Oh, honey. Ooh. This is beautiful. The color is beautiful. That color is beautiful. Look at those curls. Y'all, I'm so ready to throw this on my head. And it's glueless. Pre-cut lace. Let me just put it on real quick and then we'll see which way to go. You see this? This is day 4 of my wash and go. I want y'all to know that. 4. I haven't had to do anything. Nothing. I need y'all to hear me what I say. Okay, but we're not here for that. Hold a minute. Okay. We got the silicone grip back here that's gonna hold on to the back of that neck. Hold on to the back of that neck. It's gonna hold on to the back of that neck. The biggity back, the back of that neck. It's gonna hold on. It's gonna hold on. Removable combs off to the side with Pride and in the bite. You can remove those. If you have plans to shout, keep those combs in there. Because one thing that they do not rehearse with the Urshas is what to do when the wig flies off. Now, I have recommended having a wig room just off to the side with Pride when you first walk. But all I can do is recommend. Y'all, let me put this on. Hold a minute. Get it over your hair. C-shaped ear sides. You see that? This is gonna make it look so natural because it's only 7 inches going across. Okay, I think it was 7. What was it? 7x5? What did I say it was? Yes, 5 inches going back and then 7 going across. You're gonna have your own edges left out right here, so it's gonna make it look very natural. Clearly, the lace is lovely. They plucked it, but remember we talked about this, huh? Because honey, I have to tint that lace, and there's nothing wrong. I'm gonna put a little dollop of foundation on there. Y'all, look, this is gonna be cute. Cause look, I don't even want to disrupt it right now.
They got it styled already.
It's cut. This is layered. Honey, but why I got it so far back? Y'all know I got a big forehead. Sometimes I forget it's far back. I don't want y'all to be confused. I'm used to it being back.
My whole scalp is back.
Damn, I've talked about this before. This stuff is great. When I need things, they don't want to be around. But as soon as I don't need them, they act like they want to be down. Why? I just want this back so y'all can see. Watch this. Now, this is still a lot of lace, you guys, but just bear with me. Look at that. I'll do half so you can see. Look. that means it's good lace. You see that? It's ready to be tinted. It's ready to be tinted. Big baby, look at that. Look at this side. Look at this side. And I didn't even trim that lace. This is a lot of, the lace go all the way down here. You see that? Let me get the other side. And then don't mess around and melt it. Ooh. Look at that. Look, you can wear this glueless, y'all. You know that. I be wanting to show you. When the lace is real good like this, I be wanting to melt it so bad. I want to show you that it's glueless, but big baby, I want to melt this thing. It look too good not to be melted, don't it? I said it looked too good not to be melted. And it looked too good not to be melted. You know it look way too good not to be melted. Honey, it look way too good not to be melted. I just want to show y'all that it is glueless. Y'all see that? Y'all saw it. I didn't put glue on, okay? Honey, if y'all don't trust me by now, you will never. You know what? Actually, I'm going to do my Kai thing right now. Y'all know Kai. She will take a little mousse and make a glueless wig look melted down, pressed down, and run it over so good. I'm going to hit my Kai on them. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Just bring some of the hair down. You done already tinted the lace, so the lace is looking good. I like for mine to look real natural, so I don't do too much swoop. Y'all know I used to be real good and ignorant for swooping and duping, baby. I used to swoop and dupe. So what I'm saying to you is I'm not above it. If y'all want to swoop and dupe, baby, swoop and dupe, okay? Swoop and dupe, swoop, baby.
You know what's up? Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all